Hello again, welcome back to the channel. The last video I did was a video on how to put together an iDrone DM002, and this is the finished, slightly modified product. And how it's modified is basically pretty small things. There's I just put tape around the wire going to the motors, just some Scotch tape, which cleans that up a bit. But more interestingly, I put a little antenna mod where I took the antenna, which was kind of tucked under the flight controller here, and I drilled a little hole here in the top of the flight controller cover and put a Q-tip through it and ran the antenna from the flight controller up through the Q-tip. So that manages to route it to the side of the camera lens so it doesn't appear in the picture, but it keeps it straight and should extend the range. So that's kind of a fun thing that I did. And one thing I forgot to mention in my build video for this is there's a little clip too on the flight controller cover, which you can use to kind of tidy the power lead to the camera a bit. So it's a neat little thing. So testing out this antenna mod today, I took it out to a field, and I'll show you a bit of flight test footage later. And I flew it with my jumper T8SG, and this controller is highly recommended. It's got the DM002 protocol kind of built into it, and a whole bunch of other protocols. It's kind of the Swiss Army knife of remote control stuff. So that's about it. I was able to, with the jumper, get about 300 meters range. So without further ado, I will play the flight footage from that.
Lavish Jax.
So thanks for sticking around and watching the flight footage of the DM002. And before I go, I will show you a couple close-ups of the antenna mod. So here's a close-up of the flight controller cover with a hole drilled into it. And here's a close-up of the drone with the mod in it, so just so you can kind of get a closer look to see how everything is placed. So thanks again for watching. Click like and subscribe if you like what you see and you want to see more. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.
Lavish Jax.